The National Investigation Agency has intensified its probe into a significant 2023 case related to illegal entry and human trafficking, conducted raids across various locations in Tripura's bordering districts today. The NIA team, which arrived in the state on November 10, is working in close coordination with the Tripura State Police. On Wednesday, the joint teams carried out extensive searches in several areas including Komargat, Kailasahar and border areas of North Tripura district. The coordinated raids suggest a focused effort to dismantle the network supporting illegal cross-border movement and infiltration into India, often exploiting Tripura's porous international border with Bangladesh. The case under investigation is believed to be linked to the massive nationwide crackdown on human trafficking syndicates conducted by the NIA in late 2023. During that operation, Tripura accounted for a large number of arrests, with agents accused of facilitating the illegal entry of foreign nationals, including those of Rohingya origin, and providing them with forged Indian identity documents like Aadhaar and PAN cards. The current raids are likely targeting key facilitators, logisticians, and individuals involved in sheltering and transporting the illegal migrants, with a view to gathering further evidence and financial trail details. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.